so happy that binless kami ni Lord ng sobrang biggest blessing to sa buhay namin ni Daddy. Ni Daddy mo. Tapos,
So, mami na tawag kasi.
tama ka na, Mom.
Today is our gender review.
Are you a team boy?
Or team girl.
Let's find out.
The sun rose over the valley.
Kaloob ng Panginoon ng inyong magiging anak ay isang malusog na bata, even lalaki o babae. Siksik, liglig, umaapaw na pagpapala ang ibibigay ng Panginoon. Sapagkat napakamatulungin yung tao. God bless you, anak.
This is
To Tin and Bok, magiging parents na kayo. Basta healthy yung inyong baby. Basta tulong kayo sa lahat. Good luck and God bless.
I'm a team boy. Little Rock! Little Rock!
Team girl!
Little Team! Little Team!
Good luck, Tin and Bo. Bagong mami at daddy. Team!
We are Team Girl! Woo!
it's like
Hi, Tin and Bok. I'm happy for both of you. Ito na, yung pinakikita natin. Yung aking magiging apo. And I'm so excited. Ang prayer ko, sana kayong dalawa, pag-igihan nyo, pagiging parent nyo, magtulungan kayo. Nawa yung anak ninyo, mag-grow siya na ang foundation ninyo ay walang iba kundi si Jesus Christ. I love you both and good luck. God bless you. Mwah.
the best part. It's a new beginning.
Ano ko, boy kasi eh. Akala ko Aguilar pa rin, hindi na pala. Pero kahit na pero mas malamang sa boy.
May boy na kasi para ma-experience naman yung girl. Pero kahit basta healthy.
New dawn is breaking. Look at the world we're making. I think we're finally waking up. These
Pili ka ni Lord sa pinaka-time na alam niyang right.
Sana lumaki siyang mabait na at masunurin na bata. Yun, so makuha niya lahat ng gusto niya.
We can't wait to meet you and kahit anong gender mo, we love you.
beginning, yeah.
Alright, so ready na kayo? Let's start!
We won't forget this feeling. Wait for the best part.